Introducing a Renaissance-inspired villa at the Isles of Wellington. Now, priced reduced by a motivated seller. Step into a world where timeless elegance and modern sophistication blend seamlessly, as we invite you to explore your new home, nestled in the Mariners Cove neighborhood. This European-inspired home stands as a testament to the enduring allure of the period, with brand new S-tile roof and impact windows, both installed in 2022. Outside the front of the home, you and your guests are greeted with a Florence rose pedestal planter in the center of lush landscaping. From the moment you enter its custom glass double-door entrance, you are greeted by a wonderful display of architectural design. Like tray ceilings, ample windows, and Grecian Doric columns. The formal dining room is perfect for families and guests. While the home draws inspiration from the past, it's equipped with modern stainless steel appliances, inviting culinary enthusiasts. The primary bedroom and ensuite are a perfect sanctuary of comfort and peacefulness. See more by going to our michaelbrown.com.